Well, here we're looking at the Ford Focus. The jerry can won't go in there. It has a special funnel. This prevents people from stealing your gas. You can't push a nozzle, a hose, a pipe, anything down there, except for a nozzle at the pumps or the funnel that's provided in your car in the trunk by your spare tire. This is just the right size. It goes in here, and then you can put your gas in from your jerry can if you're stuck on the highway or you run out of gas somewhere. That's what you need. We didn't have one in this car. We had to go to the dealership and buy one, but you need to have this in your car if you run out of gas. It's a real mess trying to put gas in there from a jerry can without this funnel. Well, there you have it. Hopefully it helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to gas your car up before you go anywhere.